We're a large, heavy civil contractor. We have about 1,800 employees. We do everything from grading, pipe, bridges, concrete paving, and asphalt paving. We do site work, everything from a small parking lot to a large distribution center to a large highway project. We're one of the largest DOT contractors in the state of Missouri. I've been with the company 17 years. I manage roughly 30 people doing construction layout on all of our civil projects, along with 7 to 9 people that strictly, that's their job every day, is to build GPS models. So in the past, we've had to physically drive to the site to load files. So we were spending a lot of time of just moving files around. And then if plans change, scheduling changes, we wanted to figure out, hey, how can we cut down on this driving thumb drives around to load stuff? So that's what we started looking into, what's going to make this process easier. In the beginning, when we were analyzing which product was better, Komatsu Smart Construction Remote was capable of working with Trimble and Topcon GPS. So ultimately having one platform and only having to learn one platform, going to one site and be able to see all your machines and be able to send files. It didn't matter if it's Trimble or Komatsu or Topcon. It was very important to us, and that was one of the big reasons why we chose to go with Smart Construction Remote. Of that ease, not only the user friendliness, but everything is on one platform and only have to learn one platform. Ultimately, we felt that Komatsu Smart Construction Remote was more user friendly. An hour of training, you would have it down. The most successful is the time it saves. It's not having to drive to every site to load files. As soon as the file is done, it can get to the field. We are sending files daily. So on average, we have 4 offices. They are using Smart Construction to send files 15 times a week per office. On the other side of the production side of it is, as soon as a revision comes out and the data prep has it done, it can get to the field. So they can get the information faster. The process is very simple. All you have to do is log into the website, find your machine that you want to send it to, and you drag and drop your files onto the screen and hit send. As we grow and as the industry grows, there's less people with experience out there. So we deal with this daily of just helping operators with a simple task of how to set an offset, or hey, this isn't working. So we're able to remote into it. We can see their screen and we can walk them through the process. So anytime you can see exactly what they're seeing, helps you communicate. We could tell them what buttons to press and why you're pressing these to help them navigate through the system if they have a question. Instead of just hearing it, we can also see it. With the Komatsu and Topcon, we can actually take over it, so we could change the buttons to help that operator if he wasn't comfortable clicking on the buttons himself. I would highly recommend Smart Construction Remote just because of the ease, the user friendliness of the product.
Speed. It's so much easier to get files quicker, pull up to a job, you don't have to wait on somebody to show up, get it sent straight to you, get to work. I mean, you could go anywhere, they could send it from anywhere, and you'll have that job on file, everything you need to know. Yeah, it's a tremendous help.
Our smallest customer that's interested and started has about 5 machines. Our largest customer has roughly about 100 machines. So I think it fits big, small, and in between. I think it's a groundbreaking product, and I think just being able to access different manufacturers across the platform, I think it's going to be very beneficial. It's going to be exciting to see where it ends up at.
To get started with Smart Construction Remote, have a conversation with your TSE at your local Komatsu dealer. They'll walk you through the whole process of setting it up. You can go on the My Komatsu website, you can sign up directly on there, but then your Komatsu dealer will help you get each machine put on board on that platform to give you access. After that, your local TSE is there to help guide them through any questions they have on that program. Komatsu North America also has a support group that is always available via email or phone to provide support for the platform, answer questions, troubleshooting, any kind of feedback they might have for improvements. They're always looking for feedback to try and, hey, how can we make our customers' lives better?